Welcome to this exciting part of your crochet journey, where you'll actually learn how to crochet. Before we get started, let's sit down at the craft table to review the stitch guide together, as well as the supplies you will need. This guide will be your custom-drawn visual companion, helping you practice and master the basic crochet stitches. It's designed to be your handy reference, as it will be extremely useful as you get started. You can view it online for easy access by zooming in on the detailed illustrations or print a copy to keep by your side as you crochet. On this guide, you'll learn essential skills such as counting stitches to track your progress, identifying your work's front and back sides for a polished finish, and understanding loop anatomy to create texture variations. Now let's talk about supplies needed for this course. You will want to purchase 2 different colored skeins of acrylic or cotton yarn. These will be for the tutorial sections. You may use this yarn for the final project, but you may want to buy a skein of nice, soft yarn to use when we make the hat. You will also want to purchase crochet hooks. These can be purchased individually or in a bulk pack. Make sure if you buy individual hooks, you get ones that are intended for the weight of yarn that you purchase. We will be using metal crochet hooks with ergonomic grips. Don't forget, you will also want to purchase yarn scissors and yarn sewing needles. Once you have purchased all the needed supplies, you will be ready to start crocheting. Now let's dive in and get to crocheting in the next section.